In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a PDF document to your custom Copilot using Microsoft Copilot Studio. To get started, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Copilot Studio. Once you're there, sign in if needed, and then select the specific Copilot you want to update. This is important because any knowledge you add will apply only to the Copilot you choose. So take a moment to make sure you're working in the correct one before moving on. After your Copilot is open, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Knowledge section. This is the area where you manage the information your Copilot can use when responding to users. If you want your Copilot to answer questions based on a document, this is where that setup begins. Next, click the Add Knowledge button near the top of the main window. This will open the available options for adding new content. Since we're uploading a document from your computer, choose Files from the list of knowledge sources. This tells Copilot Studio that you want to use a file, such as a PDF, as a source of information for your Copilot. Now click the Browse button. This will open your computer's file picker so you can locate the PDF you want to upload. Find the correct document, select it, and then click Open. It's a good idea to double check that you've chosen the right file, especially if you have multiple similar documents saved on your device. Once the PDF appears in the pop-up window, click the Add button at the bottom to attach the file to your Copilot. At this point, the document is being submitted as a knowledge source, which means your Copilot will be able to reference its content after processing is complete. Give it a few moments to process. The exact time may vary depending on the size of the file, so just wait until the upload finishes. After that, you can use the test pane on the right side of the screen to ask your Copilot questions based on the PDF content. This is a helpful way to confirm that the document was added successfully and that your Copilot is pulling useful answers from it. If the responses seem incomplete, try asking clear and specific questions related to the wording in the document. Testing right away can help you catch issues early and make sure everything is working as expected. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy building.